Configuring top and bottom positions. Before setting the open and close positions on your shade, please first ensure that your SmartShade is properly mounted and attached to your beaded chain. Press and hold the Set button on top of the SmartShade for 3 seconds. The top arrow will begin blinking, indicating that your device is in setup mode. Press the top arrow to ensure your shade is moving in the right direction. If you find that your shade is moving in the wrong direction, press and hold Pair for 3 seconds to reverse the direction. Try pressing the top arrow again, and you will see your shade opening. Hold the top arrow button until you reach your preferred top position. Press Set to save. The top arrow will turn solid blue, and the bottom arrow will begin blinking, indicating that you can now set your bottom position. Press and hold the bottom arrow button until you reach your desired bottom position. Press Set to save. Both arrows will turn solid blue, confirming that both your top and bottom positions are set. You have successfully configured your SmartShade. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you would like to learn more, please visit helloryse.com.